I've mentioned on the channel before that I've got kids and grandkids in Florida, and my son-in-law Mike, who's married to my daughter Kristen, called me the other day. I love my son-in-law. You know, he's blessed me with 2 of my 7 grandkids. This is them right here. Actually, I don't think that's how they look every day. That's a Halloween picture, although my daughter is kind of weird. But no, this is my grandkids. Anyhow, Mike asked me, he said, Dad, what do you guys do with your leaves? Never dawned on me. I guess if you didn't live here or live around a lot of deciduous trees, you might not know the answer to that. Everybody's got their own way of doing it. I'd like you guys, if you would please, in the comments, just put down what you do with your leaves. Some guys burn them. Some guys that live on acreage and that just blow them into the woods. Other guys compost them. I'll show you what we do with them. We do collect them and bring them to the street, and right here is some of our tax dollars at work. This is like a huge super sucker that sucks them up through a macerator and then into a dump truck, and then I'm actually not sure what the town does with the leaves, but thought it'd be kind of interesting to share. What do you guys do with your leaves? I show you what we do here. Thanks for joining us. Welcome back. We're really trying awfully hard to bring you good content. If you do enjoy our channel, we certainly would appreciate right here a thumbs up. That'd be great. Thank you so much for being with us. Hey, before we go any further, I want to introduce a new toy for the channel. You guys know how I love new toys. This is the Roku F11 Pro. It's a drone. And why you guys will like it is this right here. This is an adjustable camera. And you're watching right now kind of the maiden voyage of the drone, where I was learning how to take off, how to land, how to pitch it, roll it, raise the elevation, lower the elevation. It's actually kind of a lot of fun. I was pretty impressed with the quality of the camera too. Now it does come with this controller. Your cell phone lies in here horizontally, and you can see exactly what the camera is seeing. The best part, it's really kind of idiot-proof, and that's pretty important for me. When you're ready to fly, you push this one button, and it'll take the drone up and hover about 10 feet in the air, and then you can just use the toggle to raise, lower it, pitch it, roll it, and control it that way. When you're done, no matter how high up it is, it also has voice activation in it, in that it will warn you if you're getting out of its range, which is pretty cool. When you're ready to return, you then push this little blue button right here, and it's the home button, and it will automatically take the drone back down to where you started from. This is going to be fun. We're going to use it this winter for snow plowing. We're going to use it for just about everything that we do. Next year in the spring, when we start doing a lot of tractor work, we're going to use it as well. I just think it makes it kind of fun. Is this something you guys are going to enjoy, you think? Is this important to you? Put something down in the comments. I always like to know that we're moving in the right direction in the channel, that we're doing what you want us to do. That's really, really important to me. So this is part of the leaf arsenal. This is, it's got John Deere green paint in the decal, but this is made by Agrifab. One of my favorite things about it is this, which is how you dump right from the seat. I had another Agrifab, which was less money, and it showed. I had a little rope that you used. I just wanted something more substantial. It does have adjustable height for the brushes. Very, very easy to do. The key is to get the brushes to rub the ground enough to get the leaves up but not taking out. You literally can take up soil if you don't adjust it properly. Works really well. I actually enjoy doing it. I really do. ago, most of the front lawn was covered with the maple leaves, but then we had a big wind, and yeah, they're all in my neighbor's yard now. It's just kind of the rite of passage of fall. You clean up whatever leaves are in your yard, no matter where they came from. Maple leaves will come down before the oaks. Some of my neighbors have some really good sized oak trees that are still holding some leaves. I really think leaves are early this year. I really do. Now, I'm not worried about getting every single leaf simply because they're not done. Now I've repositioned the tractor because this time of year I'm not using it a lot, and when it gets cold, as we all know, that could drain a battery. So you're all pretty familiar with this, I'm sure. This is a trickle charger, and what I do is simply just going to hook it up to the battery, and my battery will stay charged. As we all know, a charged battery theoretically won't freeze. So that's what I'm trying to do here, is trying to keep the battery charged and protect it during the winter time from not freezing. So the nice thing about this particular charger is once it is plugged in, you're going to get the LED light letting you know that it does have power. So this will read auto and show you that it's charging 12 volts. So this way you know that it's working. So anytime I walk by here, I just take a quick gander at it just to make sure that it's hooked up. Now you can also see that I use one for the generator as well. And once I'm done with the X350, I'll use another one for it to keep it charged during the winter. Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Hey, if you enjoy our videos, we sure would appreciate a thumbs up. And to those of you that have subscribed, please make sure that you're still subscribed. And we do thank you for subscribing and, well, just for supporting us. It means an awful lot. It really does. We'll see you next time. God bless you all, and we'll see you on Tractors in Life.